So that's been the line of attack for the Bulldozers. They start with Karthik, and from the other end it is Dhruv who normally operates. Vikrant, they did so well in the semi-final encounter against the Telugu Warriors, got them off to a flying start, and it is because of that the Rhinos, they built up a huge score, which in the end proved a bit too much for the Warriors.
Well, Vikrant is an important player for Chennai Rhinos. He's signaling something to the umpire. Wonder what it is. The square leg umpire is signaled a no ball towards our scorers. Again a close shout. This time it was clearly going down the leg side. They really are bowling well. They're getting the ball to nip back in, both these guys, Karthik as well as Dhruv.
And it's the late movement that has prompted Captain Sudeep to push a fielder at deep square leg. The first ball was a no ball called by the square leg umpire. So it wasn't a front foot no ball. It was again because the field restrictions not being followed properly. Again it came in so sharp. That's been a problem for both these batsmen, including Jiva, who was out of the first ball, not been able to negotiate the late in-swing movement.
It's great to see these actors, stroke cricketers really pushing themselves onto the ground. They played with a lot of competitive spirit, and they're pushing themselves to new limits. They're bowling well, they're playing well, they're batting excellently, and the fielding has been exceptional. Played with a very high intensity, and that's the result. We are finding a lot of games going close. A lot of interest has been created. First runs off the bat, slight bit of misfield, and they scamper back for two.
So this is the final here. Just a matter of nerves once again. Who handles pressure in a better manner? Who is able to withstand this pressure and performs under that? That's what transpired in the semi-final encounters. They were better sides, especially Telugu Warriors. This one is hit very well over the ropes for a six. So the first six of this game, of the final match, it comes from the blade of Vikrant. Short delivery, and he latches onto that one so quickly.
Short one coming into him, and Vikrant just helps it on its way over the square leg fielder. He didn't have any second thoughts about putting it away, and the execution was perfect. Finally, the Chennai Rhinos have got themselves going in this over. Single of the last ball. It's 10 for 1 after 2.
Single to finish the over after 2 overs.